wondered how to make your own effective homemade shampoo? Today, we'll unravel the secret to this. Imagine a world where you have complete control over what goes onto your scalp. With homemade shampoo, this is possible. You're bypassing the harmful chemicals often found in commercial products, protecting your hair's natural oils, and promoting a healthier scalp. It's not just about what you're avoiding, but also about what you're gaining. The potential for customization is endless. Whether you have dry, oily, or normal hair, there's a concoction that's just right for you. Plus, let's not forget the cost-effectiveness. Say goodbye to expensive salon shampoos and hello to a budget-friendly natural alternative. Many ingredients can be used, such as aloe vera, honey, and essential oils, each bringing their unique benefits to your hair. Today, we give an example of 3 simple ingredients you can start with. Ready to dive into the process of creating your own homemade shampoo? Let's do it! Now let's delve into the step-by-step process of making a homemade shampoo. First off, we'll need 3 main ingredients: liquid castile soap, distilled water, and sweet almond oil. You can easily find these at your local grocery store or online. Next, let's talk about proportions. The liquid castile soap is our base, so we need half a cup of it. It's a gentle cleanser derived from natural plant oils, which makes it perfect for our shampoo. The distilled water, which we need a quarter cup of, helps dilute the soap to an appropriate level for hair. Lastly, the sweet almond oil, just 2 teaspoons, will provide the necessary moisture and shine for your hair. Now, onto the mixing. Simply combine all the ingredients in a bottle and shake well. You want to make sure that everything is thoroughly mixed to get the most benefits. This process should take no more than a few minutes. A few precautions to note: always shake the bottle before each use, as natural ingredients tend to separate over time. Also, use the shampoo within a month, as it doesn't contain any preservatives. And there you have it, your very own homemade shampoo, ready for use. Wasn't that simple? And the best part is, you know exactly what's going into your shampoo. Why not give it a try? Make your own homemade shampoo and tell us how it went in the comments. If you found this useful, pass it on. Spread the word about Remedy Seeker and join our community for more health tips and remedies. Remember, your feedback is valuable to us, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay healthy, stay natural. See you in our next video.